Victimization of the BBC in India continues unabated, the consequent to the release of a documentary by BBC on the Modi's complicit role in the 2002 Gujarat riots titled India, the Modi Question, exposing the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi role in the carnage. The renowned broadcaster is subjected to extreme victimization. The documentary released on the 17th January 2023 highlighted a previously unpublished investigation report by the UK Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office that found Modi as directly responsible for the climate of impunity that enabled the violence. The documentary was banned in India and on the social media platforms by the Indian government. Recently, the Indian Income Tax Department has started harassing BBC as the broadcaster's office premises are being raided under the pretext of probing tax-related issues. It is purely a vindictive act against the BBC that tried to correctly expose the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his complicit role in the Gujarat riots that caused the death of over 2,000 Muslims in the year 2002. India's press freedom rankings have fallen to 150 out of 180, with India now on the 30th worst countries in the world surveyed. The BJP's ideology of the Hindu primacy infiltrated justice through the media, harass and attack the religious minorities, particularly the Muslims, with impunity. In order to survive the BJP's onslaught, the BBC has commenced restructuring the Indian operations to meet foreign investment rules. Recently, 4 BBC employees will leave BBC and become part of the newly made Newsroom, an Indian-owned company led by Rupa Jha, and 3 others that will be made operational, covering BBC's 6 Indian language services.